loaded with great features like a 6.5-inch HD Plus screen, 13-megapixel camera, and a large 4,500 mAh battery, the TCL 30XE 5G is one of the most affordable 5G smartphones running on T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. Hey there, I'm Des with T-Mobile, and I'm going to give you a quick rundown on all the details of this new affordable 5G phone and check out what's inside the box. Let's get into it. So your phone screen is where you interact and spend the most of your time, right? Well, the TCL 30XE 5G has a crisp 6.52-inch HD Plus display. It's got a 90 Hz refresh rate, and this is a new one, 180 Hz touch sampling rate. This means using your 30XE will be smooth and responsive. On the back, the 30XE features a triple lens camera system with a 13-megapixel main camera, 2-megapixel depth camera, and 2-megapixel super macro camera. So quick pics and close-ups should be a snap. And to stay powered throughout the day, the 30XE 5G has a long-lasting 4,500 mAh battery, capable of USB-C 18-watt fast charging. And, spoiler alert, the charging cable and fast charger are included in the box. Now here's the best part. The 5G comes from T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network, so you can stay connected with more 5G bars in more places. Thanks, T-Mobile! The TCL 30XE 5G comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of built-in storage. Plus, it has an expandable micro SD card slot. It even has a 3.5mm jack, so bring along your favorite pair of headphones. Rounding out the specs, it runs Android 11 out of the box and has a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor. Now inside the box, you've got the new TCL 30XE 5G, quick start guide, SIM pin, USB-C charging cable, and that 18-watt fast charger. The new TCL 30XE 5G, a feature-packed 5G phone at an affordable price, rockin' T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. You can check out the new TCL 30XE 5G at your favorite T-Mobile store and online at tmobile.com. Now stay tuned for another great video coming up next.